Hello friend, today we shall discuss about topic that how we can compare project management methodologies. Friend, project management methodologies basically provides a framework for organizing, planning and executing projects, and different methodologies suit different types of projects and organizational needs. So here we will compare four common methodologies: Waterfall, Agile, Scrum and Kanban, using simple examples for clarity. Here remember friend one thing, that normally whenever we go for an interview, or like for example you are already working as a project manager in an organization, so this is very important to understand that what are the project management methodologies nowadays available and how we can implement those methodologies for different types of projects. So first one is the waterfall methodology. Waterfall methodology is a linear and a sequential approach. Each phase must be completed before the next phase, and the phases are requirements gathering, design, implementation, then verification and testing, and then the after deployment, the maintenance phase. For example, building a house. So first we gather all details about the house, including size, layout and material, then create a detailed architectural plan, which is a design basically, construct the house based on the plan, then inspect the house to ensure it meets all the requirements, and then perform any necessary repair or modification after completion. Here are some pros and cons as well. Pros is that it is easy to understand and manage, well documented process and clear milestones are there. Disadvantages are there: it is inflexible for changes, like if there is a need for any changes, it is very complicated, or you can say it is not easy. And then late testing phase can reveal issues that are costly to fix. Next is the agile methodology, which means it is iterative and an incremental approach. Iterative means that we do the project in a iteration actually, and incrementally we do the things. Then emphasize flexibility and customer feedback, and work is done in a small increments or iteration. Okay. Then the pros and cons are there. Pros is that it is flexible and adaptive to changes, continuous customer feedback we are receiving, and frequent delivery of working software is possible through agile. Cons are there, that less predictable due to constant changes, requires close collaboration and communication. Then next is the Scrum methodology. Scrum is basically a type of agile methodology which is using the agile concept of iteration. It uses fixed length iteration called sprint. Sprint is a 2 to 4 week time period actually. It includes roles like a scrum master, product owner and the development team. The example, like launching a new website. So sprint planning means plan tasks for the first sprint, that is design homepage. Sprint 1, design and develop the homepage. Daily stand up means short daily meetings to discuss progress and obstacle issues. Sprint review means present the homepage to stakeholders for feedback. And sprint retrospective means reflect on the sprint and identify any improvements for the next sprint, that what thing goes well, what thing goes wrong, etc. The pros are there: a structured framework with defined roles and ceremonies. Okay, ceremonies means like a sprint planning meeting, daily sprint stand-up meeting, sprint review, sprint retrospective. These are the ceremonies. Then promote teamwork and accountability, and regular feedback cycles are there. These are the advantages. If we talk about the cons are there, which can be rigid in adhering to a sprint schedule, requires experienced team members to be effective. This is very important. Then Kanban methodology, it provides a visual management tool focusing on continuous delivery, uses a Kanban board with columns to do, in progress and done, limits work in progress to prevent overload. For example, managing a marketing campaign. To do is tasks like creating content, designing graphics, planning social media posts. In progress means move task to this column as work begins, and done means move task here once completed. So these are the three statuses, you can say: to do, in progress and done. Then pros means that it is flexible and easy to implement, visualizes work and progress, reduces bottlenecks by limiting WIP of work in progress. Cons means less structured than other methodologies, requires self-discipline to manage tasks and limits. Now we can compare summary like waterfall best for projects with clear unchanging requirements, for example building a house. Agile ideal for projects needing flexibility and frequent updates, for example developing a mobile application. Scrum suitable for teams that work well in iterative cycles and need defined roles, for example launching a new website. Kanban is great for ongoing work with varying priorities, for example managing a marketing campaign. Then friend, choosing the right project management methodology depends on the nature of the project, team structure and the need for flexibility or a structure. Waterfall is linear and suited for well defined projects. Agile and Scrum offer flexibility and frequent feedback for dynamic projects, and Kanban provides a visual and continuous flow approach for managing tasks. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.